Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade ramen. First, let's focus on the heart of any great ramen, the broth. You'll want to simmer your chosen bones, like pork or chicken, with aromatics such as ginger and garlic for a minimum of 8 hours. This long, slow cook extracts maximum flavor, creating a deeply savory foundation for your ramen. Next, let's talk about the noodles. Whether you choose fresh or high-quality dried ramen, the cooking process is key. Boil them in a separate pot of water, not your broth, to prevent clouding. Cook until al dente, usually for 2 to 3 minutes, then drain quickly and add them directly to your hot, prepared broth for the best texture. Now for the exciting part, the toppings. A perfectly soft-boiled egg with its rich, jammy yolk is a must. Thinly sliced chashu pork, marinated and tender, adds incredible depth. Don't forget fresh scallions for a crisp bite, a sheet of nori for umami, and some marinated bamboo shoots to complete your bowl. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Warm your serving bowls first. This helps keep your ramen hot longer. Place your perfectly cooked noodles into the bowl, then carefully ladle in the steaming hot broth. Arrange your prepared toppings artfully on top, ensuring each bite offers a delightful combination of flavors and textures. Enjoy your homemade ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.